Hello, today I will show you how to control some code using your potentiometer. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make a forever loop, and inside that we'll put in some logic. This. And then we're going to set a variable. We're going to give that, make a variable to read that potentiometer. So make a variable. I'm going to call it yeah. And then we will set the potentiometer inside the forever loop. We'll set the potentiometer to read whatever this potentiometer says. So then we'll go into the pins and we'll pull out this analog read. And then this is hooked up to pin number 2. So I'll read pin number 2. This, yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if I'm going to get some logic. Kind of get this guy on here, and I can say if if the potentiometer so if the potentiometer, and remember it gives us a value, it doesn't really give us equal numbers, it gives us like a range of numbers. So if say it's less than 20, then I want it to show a heart. All right, and then I'm going to have to do a little Boolean logic here. So I'll go to logic, and I'm going to do this. And so it has 2 conditions, not just 1 condition, 2 conditions. And this here, I'll duplicate this, and I'll say if the potentiometer is, I'll always say greater than 20. We'll say it's greater than 20, and the potentiometer. So like I want to get between 20 and 30. So I want to get between 20 and 30. I could say it's greater than 20, and I could say it's less than 40, like less than 30. The camera goes up to 45. All right, now if it meets that condition, I can duplicate this, and then I'll say I want it to be a little smiley face. So it's just right. And then lastly, I can just duplicate this again, put in my last one, and make a big string. All right, so let's just kind of review this again. So it's saying I set the potentiometer to read the analog pin 2. It's going to read the potentiometer. If the potentiometer is less than 20, makes the icon come up. If the potentiometer is greater than 20 but less than 30, makes a smiley face come up. And the last option is to show that. So if I download this, let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. I don't have to record this video again. Alright, so there's that. It's connected to the stroller. If I turn it, let's see. There's the smiley face, there's the heart, so I can control it. There's the smiley face, I turn it on more, I can click there. I control it. So I'm turning the potentiometer and it's making a change. Voila, I've made it controlling the grid with the potentiometer. Very cool. This is just the beginning. There's all sorts of things we can do. You can make it change the number. You can make it change the sound. You can make it change the LED brightness. You can make it change the brightness on this grid. Holy cow, there's so much to do, but we'll do it later.